Going to test it with a piece of polycarbonate that is half as thick as the acrylic. So let's see what happens.
Stretched.
Never seen it before. This is what polycarbonate resin looks like when it's brand new. It's never been processed. It's perfectly clear. So this is how it all starts. So material is going to fall down through that cone into an opening in the top of the barrel. The screw is turning the entire time. Any material that falls here is going to get pushed downstream by the screw as it turns. Through the die, it's one piece. This die is kind of unique for our plant in that as a multi-wall die, when it leaves the die, the material is completely formed. All of the little cells, everything. And by the time it comes out on this side, it's a finished product. Come over here, watch the step. The next thing up is what we refer to as an annealing oven. Annealing is a process where you take something, you pull it slowly to relieve tension and stress in the product. It's used as plastic, used in metal making.
As I've done different warehouse work before, and you know, I was just looking for something along the lines of being able to use the skills of what I've learned to do as far as working with machines.
What I like most about it is working with the big, expensive machinery, knowing how much it costs and just how precise, like the calendar rolls with the big steel rolls, how you can close them into like less than a millimeter close to each other. And I just like the precision about it.
Basically, it's a learning opportunity every single day you walk through the door. I've been here 13 years, and I literally learn something new every day.